Okay, we will solve this one. If a plus b is equal to 5 and a minus b is equal to 2. So the question is, what is the value of the quantity of a minus b times the quantity of a squared minus b squared? Okay, so una, pahin muna natin yung quantity of a minus b. Okay, then i-factor natin ito si a squared minus b squared. So this is a difference of two squares. So therefore, pag i-factor natin yan, that is a plus b times a minus b. Okay, so kunin natin yung values ng value ng a minus b. A minus b is 2, di ba? Okay, then times yung a plus b is 5. Okay, then a minus b is 2. So multiply natin yan. So 2 times 5, that is 10. Okay, then i-multiply natin sa 2,